Welcome back. So we are, as we had promised previously, that we'll be getting back to you once a week. So this is a brand new episode of TATR on weekly basis.
प्राणीप्रेमी मे महिन्यामध्ये ज्याची अतिशय उत्सुकतेने वाट पाहत असतात ती म्हणजे बौद्ध पौर्णिमेची रात्र. आणि आम्ही आज आमचा मचांवरचा अनुभव आपल्यासाठी घेऊन येत आहोत.
Now, friends, you all know that this is a part of wildlife census. What exactly is wildlife census? What was the need of carrying out this census, and how this became a part of conservation? So about this we'll be telling you on this entire episode. So let's begin our journey. So well friends, we are here at one of the machans of TATR, and we'll be sitting here for the entire night, that is 6 p.m. to morning 6 a.m. I am RFO Manisha Pramod Jadhav.
Myself RFO Pallavi Chauhan.
So we'll be getting you the insights of night Tadoba.
मी एका ठिकाणी वाचलं होतं की अमेरिकेत एखाद्या फुलपाखराने पंख हलवले तरी त्याचा परिणाम होऊन आफ्रिकेत कुठेतरी जंगलामध्ये खूप मोठा पाऊस पडतो. तर आपण जंगल, प्राणी, पक्षी हे समजून घेताना एक गोष्ट लक्षात ठेवली पाहिजे की जंगल किंवा व्याघ्र संवर्धन म्हणजे फक्त जंगलासाठी वेगळी गोष्ट नसून जीवजंतूंपासून ते मोठ्या झाडांपर्यंत, प्राण्यांपर्यंत ह्या गोष्टी एकमेकांशी जोडलेल्या असतात.
So in short, when you are dealing with tiger conservation, tiger being the apex predator of the food chain is altogether linked with small elements of the entire forest. So how all these small elements matter in getting up the conservation of the entire species of forest. So let's see how all these elements are interlinked, and I hope you enjoy the entire night insights of Tadoba.
निर्वनो वध्यते व्याघ्रो निर्व्याघ्रं छिद्यते वनं तस्मात् व्याघ्रो वनं रक्षेत् वनं व्याघ्रं च पालयेत्. This verse is taken from Mahabharata, which means tigers cannot survive without forests, and similarly, forests perish without tigers. Tigers protect the forest that nurture them. India has rendered full protection to the tiger as a Schedule 1 species in the 1972 Wildlife Protection Act. In spite of the textual glory that the animal enjoys, the survival of the species is threatened by problems such as habitat fragmentation and poaching. These threats had a major impact on tiger population, which called for its conservation. Tiger census played a vital role in knowing the status of tigers in wild. It not only assesses the status of tigers but also assesses co-predators, prey and their habitat. According to the mandate, this exercise is carried out every 4 yearly since 2006. So every census resulted in major changes in policy and management of tiger population. In early days, the tiger counting was merely done by drawing pictures, casting pug marks or even counting from the machans, which was a traditional method. But today, by using science and technology like camera traps and M-Stripes mobile application, processing of census has become much precise. Today, India's National Tiger Assessment is the largest biodiversity survey being carried out anywhere in the world. According to the Status of Tigers 2018 report, 3,81,400 kilometers square of area was surveyed for tiger signs. This exercise takes place in 4 phases, where the forest guards collect and record the data from the field using M-Stripes application. This data is then analyzed and accordingly grids are made to implant camera traps, which gives an estimated number of tigers. So from this exercise, a data is collected based on which management policies are framed out. Comparative study on tiger landscape approach can be done, which in turn nurtures in connecting the corridors, making a space for tigers to move out in search of new territory. And in areas where landscape is suitable for tiger habitat, reintroduction can given a thought of it. I've tried to sum up the process of tiger census in short words, but it's a way longer monitoring process, and that is why conserving the majestic tigers is not an easy task. So, well, friends, we are all set. It's already getting darker, and we have our first visitor at the waterhole. Feels like something is there on the waterhole, some movement has happened. So just check on the waterhole. So we have the tiger at the waterhole. The tigers are generally active at the night time. And do you know they can see 6 times better than humans at night? Just like every phases of moon, our life also has different phases. But this full moon looks really very beautiful. We all can just spend hours and hours just watching its beauty.
Look who is coming to quench his thirst, a thorny beauty of jungle, porcupine. Its quill coat lie flat till it feels safe, and if once porcupine finds it's under attack, it raises its quill coat as we are witnessing right now.
We just heard a call of a samba deer. The summers here are getting really very hot. The tiger had to quench her thirst in the night also, and now here again she has come on the water hole to quench her thirst. It is almost 3:45 and this is the second time the tigress has come on the water hole, and maybe because of her frequent visits in and around the water hole we haven't sighted any other wildlife yet. And I think she's back on her way. Well, it's morning, and in the night we did not find any visitors on waterhole. Probably the tigress was around the waterhole, that is why. And here we are seeing a jungle fowl. Grey jungle fowl. It's the most common bird found foraging on the ground. And do you know the jungle fowl is the national bird of Sri Lanka?
Here comes a spurfowl. Spurfowl likes to play hide and seek with everyone. Spurfowl likes the dry deciduous forest more, and it feeds on seeds, small fruits, and insects.
So quietly, these two have again come on the waterhole, and this is the third visit of the tigress on the waterhole. While we were just filming on some birds and other audios of the jungle, these two have quietly come on the waterhole again. The male tiger is just out of the pool, and probably he might be going for a hunt now. And we just saw that he just marked the territory, so probably the other tigers can sense that he's just around. What an exciting night on the eve of Buddha Purnima, where the tigress was just below our Machan. I hope you all enjoyed this video. So stay tuned and wait for our next update on next Friday. Till then, stay home and stay safe. Goodbye.
Friends, stay home, stay safe. Jai Hind.
Stay home, stay safe. Jai Hind.
Stay home, stay safe.
Stay home, stay safe. जय हिंद।
सब लोग अपने घर में रहिए, सेफ रहिए। जय हिंद।
Stay home and stay safe. जय हिंद.
घरी रहा, सुरक्षित रहा. जय हिंद.
घरी रहा, सुरक्षित रहा.
स्टे होम, स्टे सेफ. जय हिंद.
घर में रहिए, सुरक्षित रहिए. जय हिंद.
घरी रहा, सुरक्षित रहा. 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 जय हिंद.